In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use EBT card in California. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Assuming that you qualified for a SNAP EBT card, I'm going to be giving you specific instructions on how to properly use it. I'm not going to teach you the whole process of acquiring one. You should do that on your own time, but you can visit this website at cdss.ca.gov/EBT-card to get the most up-to-date information. So, using the EBT card is simple. The main way to use it is going to be to swipe the card. When you go over to the checkout counter on any valid store, you will be able to swipe your EBT card through the card reader. With this done, enter your PIN and the purchase will be approved as long as you have sufficient balance. You will be able to purchase any items eligible to be used with SNAP EBT, and you will be able to use it in all sorts of places. You can use your EBT card at most grocery stores, farmers markets, and authorized retailers. However, there are some limitations where you cannot use your card. You cannot use the SNAP EBT card to purchase hot foods like cooked chicken, pizza, hot sandwiches, alcohol, tobacco products, and non-food items like cleaning supplies, paper products, or over-the-counter medications. But anything else should be eligible. If you are unsure, ask at the counter and you will be guided through the process of using the card. If you need additional information, you can call this number here to get help if it was lost or stolen, or if you need to ask questions. Make sure that you follow these guidelines here, and as long as you keep the card to yourself and you don't share your information with anyone else, you will be able to use it. You will have a set balance that you can check using the app or calling them at a specific number to ask about how much balance you still have. Keep your PIN protected and you will be able to use it on any valid stores. You can even use it online in delivery services like DoorDash as long as you purchase eligible items. I hope I was able to help you on how to use EBT card in California. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.